Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make another classic, the mint julep. Now this cocktail is super easy to make. We only need 3 ingredients to make it. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need bourbon. I'm using Woodford Reserve, simple syrup, and fresh mint. Alright, so I'm going to start by adding about 10 mint leaves into the glass. Next, I'm gonna add half ounce of simple syrup. Two ounces of bourbon. Now we're gonna muddle it. And you want to just press down on the leaves to release the oils. Right now I'm going to add crushed ice about halfway. Now I'm just going to mix this. Now I'm going to tap it out with ice. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make a mint julep. Now if you guys like the video, drop those likes. And if you guys want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!